Hello, today we will do unboxing and quick explanation about DJI Goggles 3. We have short instructions. When you put on the mask and if you feel any discomfort, you have additional forehead pad. USB-C OTG cable for connect goggles with mobile device. DJI Goggles 3 supports diopter adjustment from -6.0D to 2.0D. If your vision is in the range of -6.0D to -8.0D, you can install the provided -2.0D corrective lenses. And finally DJI Goggles 3. The unpacking is done and we can go into more detail about the device, accessories, upgrades and connection to the drone and controller. Let's charge the device. Before use, unfold both antennas. There are two cameras on the front, so you can see surrounding without taking off your goggles. Adjust the forehead pad downward to the lowest position. If you feel any discomfort, install the additional forehead pad. Peel off the original forehead pad. Attach the additional forehead pad and then install the original forehead pad on top. "5D button, push to the right, forward or backward for settings. With the button select the option you wish. Back button. Press to return to the previous menu or exit the current view. Battery level LEDs. On battery compartment is headband adjustment knob. Rotate it clockwise to tighten the headband and counterclockwise to loosen the headband. You can adjust diopters by rotating knobs left or right. And you can slide left and right to adjust the distance between the lenses until the image is properly aligned. If your vision is in the range of -6.0D to -8.0D, you can install the provided -2.0D corrective lenses. One lens is left and the other is right. When you mount them, the white lines should match. Detach the original lens frames from the goggles by rotating counterclockwise as shown. Press up and rotate both knobs in the direction as shown to lock them. Proximity sensor detects whether the user is wearing the goggles and automatically turns the screen on or off. MicroSD card slot for video recording on goggles. Goggles defog. If enabled, the cooling fan will keep running at high speed to alleviate the fogging of the lenses. If goggles does not recognize the SD card, format it in the computer to NTFS format. Power button. Press the power button once to check the current battery level. Press once, then press and hold for 2 seconds to power the goggles on or off. DJI Goggles 3 must be activated and updated before using for the first time. Connect the USB-C port of the goggles to the mobile device with the USB-C OTG cable and a suitable data cable. Run DJI Fly app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the device and update the firmware. Make sure the mobile device is connected to the internet during activation. DJI Fly automatically recognizes the goggles. New firmware and I make upgrade of device. Make sure the devices are within 0.5 meter of each other during linking. For linking the goggles and remote control device, press and hold the power button on both devices until they start to beep continuously and the battery level LEDs start to blink in sequence. Once linking is completed, the goggles and remote control device stop beeping and both the battery level LEDs turn solid and display the battery level. And now linking the goggles and drone. The aircraft can be controlled with only one remote control device during flight. But I couldn't pair them, until I put the glasses on my head and switched from Avata drone to Mini 4 Pro in the settings. Go to status, then to switch, and there choose Mini 4 Pro. Once linking is completed, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft turn solid and display the battery level, the goggles stop beeping, and image transmission can be displayed normally. And in the next video I fly with drone, goggles and motion control. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.